Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go to the settings and scroll down a little bit with your finger to the sounds and vibration section. Right now just you got here the notification section tab here, and as can you see we got here the droplets right now. You can switch it here to the another one, and here we got the more section. Go there, you can select your ringtone, your notification volume from the online ringtones, from the local ringtones on your device, from your screen recorder or file manager or music application, or also you can go with the default ones by this way. For example, we'll go in with the country. And now just go here back, one more time back, and as can you see our notifications has changed successfully to the country one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.